Hello everyone, next I will introduce how to use the Profinet module of VC series. VC series uses extension module to implement Profinet communication protocol. Here are the module names. Currently, VC series only supports EtherCAT or Profinet communication module. Only one of the installations can be selected, and VC only supports slave configurations. On the left is the hardware diagram of the module, which has two network ports. One network port is used for input and the other for output. If the project needs to use more than one slave station, the connection is as shown on the right. Currently, we only support 2PZD message form. Regarding the 2PDZ, the first two sets of monitoring parameters and setup parameters are fixed. One is the current status of VFD and running frequency. The other is the run command and set the start frequency. In the demo, I used Siemens PLC and VC series for Profinet testing. VFD as a slave, only two parameters need to be set. I recommend to restore the factory settings first. Now let me show you the configuration in the PLC software.